Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of TapLab. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 different Instagram page examples that will give you some ideas or inspiration for your page. Before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for mobile app and gaming videos and check out some of the other videos on the channel. I'll go ahead and link a playlist down in the description with hundreds of Instagram videos that you can check out. Now let's swipe over here and we're going to go ahead and go to 5 different pages. These are going to be pages in a variety of niches that just give you some ideas and inspiration. So let's go ahead and go to the search screen. The first page that we're going to look at is Young Jake. So this is an art page. Young Jake is an artist, an emoji artist. So let's open one of these up and we can see that he creates these portraits all from emojis. It's kind of insane. He's very unique in what he does and he pretty much has this theme throughout his whole page. So we can scroll through here. Like I said, it's pretty much the same theme all throughout. All created with tons of emojis. So that's awesome. And right away when you see one of his posts in the feed, you know it's his. Just because of this style, the white background, all emojis. He's also done a good job starting to work with brands. So I believe ones like this are branded posts, so Vans. Then he's able to use this style and work in some sponsorships. So that's one idea for an artist if you have something that's really unique. Let's take a look at the next page here. This is a relatively small page, I believe. Vintage Life. So they only have 1,058 followers so far, but I just found this page. I think someone else shared it. I thought it was dope. And you can see that they use yellow on every single post. So this is very recognizable. Like right when they post, right when you see this in the feed, you know it's something from them. And this is a good idea for a brand. Now you might want to do this with a few different colors. I personally like just the one color just because it's so recognizable, especially being this yellow. Not a lot of people are using yellow like this. But just this style, this color, if you're using a brand, color is huge. So definitely think about color in your post, whether you have the same background color or some sort of color that you use in every post. I know a lot of photographers do this as well, try and do a consistent theme. So I just thought this is a dope example. Using this all yellow, it's very recognizable, very cool. Let's take a look at the next one, Spectrum Report. So this is an example of a tech page or like a tech news. So here's what it's looking like. It's got mostly like high contrast white and dark colors. This is like an average post on this page. So the typography is the item that's most consistent in all of these posts. So it's going to have like a title and then a subtitle. And pretty much every post uses that same design. So again, when you're scrolling through the feed, you automatically know this is them. It has high contrast, it stands out like crazy. So this is a page that I really like. It's got a great design. So if you're doing some sort of news or tech related, maybe think about something like this. The bold title, the subtitle, it's gonna catch people's attention really quick. And then down in the description, you're going to be able to put all of the posts or the full post or the details, whatever it is. So there's a good example for a tech page. The next one we're going to look at is ASRV. ASRV is a clothing brand, mostly like men's athletic apparel. So they've got a variety of stuff, but they make it all fit in well. So these are just pictures of clothes on a white background. Then they also have pictures with people. They have pictures of clothes on a colored background. They've got a variety of stuff in here, but they've done a good job making it all fit together and work together. And if we scroll through this, we can see that it's all very consistent, very well done. They even tried more of a cartoon style here. And they did a few of those to make it blend well. Maybe these didn't do as well as they hoped, so they quit doing them. Yeah, it looks like these weren't getting as many likes as the other ones. So they probably cut out the cartoon style. You can see that they've been able to blend a lot of different styles and make it all look consistent. So they got like white backgrounds, colored backgrounds, products, people, a whole bunch of stuff, but it all looks good together. The next one that we're gonna look at Gary Vee. And this one is just an example to give an opposite perspective from the other 4 that I've shown. Let's go ahead and go to Gary Vee here. And you notice the other 4 that I've shown are very like stylized, very consistent, very aesthetic. And I think that's great. I think that's awesome. But I also think that it shouldn't hold you back from posting on Instagram. And I think a lot of people use that as an excuse, like, oh, it's not pretty, or it's not perfect, it's not this, it's not that, it's not gonna fit on my page. And I think Gary Vee does a good job just going against that. Like, he's just posting like bold whatever, you know, it is high contrast, it is well done, but it's much different than like an aesthetic page. It's just bold text, a lot of different stuff, a lot of variety here. He does have his face in a lot of it, but you know, it's not that clean, it's not that aesthetic. It is all kind of consistent for his brand, but honestly, it's not the prettiest. Like, I think we can all agree that it's not the prettiest, but that doesn't hold him back. You know, he's at 4.4 million followers. He's doing it big, and he definitely doesn't have the best design here. So I just wanted to show this page as an example. I think it's a good example to not let design hold you back or anything like that, because you can definitely succeed on Instagram doing tons of different styles or tons of different things, just sort of up to you to figure out what you want to do. And there you have it, 5 different page examples for Instagram. I hope these helped you guys out. I hope you found it inspiring or you got something out of it. Be sure to drop a comment down below and let us know what you think. Also, feel free to share any other pages or ideas that you have down in the comments below as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos, drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and check out some of the other videos on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.